Let's look at this pattern. I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, it increases by 1 each time. Now here it's 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's also increasing by 1 each time. 3, 4. Naturally, what's next? 5, which is this answer right here. Some questions you'll get are really easy, straightforward and quick. Others need a bit more focus. Take a look here. It says when you take this first shape and this second one and merge them together, you get this shape. Let's try it out. This first shape plus this one gives me the third shape. Same thing here. If I merge this one with this one, I get the third shape. So it wants me to merge these and find their shape. Here we go. This is the shape given, okay? I'll merge it with the second shape. The drawing's not perfect, but it basically gives us this shape. So that'll be the correct answer. It's just a merging process. If I put them together, they'll give me this shape right here.